Cutting and blending. Another area that could be misfiring in your business is when the extensions are not properly finished, shaped, and blended. Not just into a client's natural hair, but into a style. You need to leave the appropriate length and style on trend. It's all about balance, proportion, and shape. A few key rules. 1. Always create seamless layers. 2. Section with your fingers, not your comb. 3. Tease cut around the base of the disconnect. 4. Deep point cut hair. Never cut straight lines. Note: if the hair is just a little bit too long and it's coupled with a blunt cut, the result will appear incredibly unnatural. There are two major factors to consider before cutting extensions: the amount of extensions you may have, and if this allows for layering. The expected end result, as many people may or may not want to layer. A great look can quickly fall apart if you cut the extension too much and you don't have enough weight. You need to leave the appropriate length and make sure the client's hairstyle is focused on balance, proportion, and shape. Deep point cutting. This technique removes bulk from the ends of the hair so that the layers and graduation blend better, creating great movement. It results in reduced weight, softer ends, and greater texture. Always remember to never cut straight lines. Leaving an unfinished cut on each extension makes them look blunt and very unnatural. Deep point cutting avoids this. Step 1. Pick up 1-inch sections and comb the hair straight out from the head. Step 2. Hold hair 2 to 3 inches from the ends so that the hair sticks out vertically from your fingers. If you hold the hair too far from the ends, it will never fall over and will be difficult to cut. Step 3. Position scissors perpendicular to your fingers so that they are parallel with the hair. Step 4. Open and close the scissors, then remove. You may not see a lot of hair removed with each cut. This technique is used more for texture than removal of length. Step 5. Remove more hair with each cut by positioning the scissors at a slight angle. The more severe the angle, the more hair will be removed with each cut. Step 6. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until desired amount of hair is removed. Cutting extensions into a stunning, natural-looking, beautiful style is a skill and one many stylists are fearful of. If this is you, fear not, because we'll be launching future videos soon to cover this very topic.